Hi everyone, this is Judy from Judy's Handmade Creation. Today I'm not sharing anything crafty, I'm sharing food that I made. Who doesn't like food? I love food. I know everybody else loves food too, so that's why I'm sharing it today. Today I made some sausage, cabbage, and potatoes. Let you get a good look at it. Sausage, cabbage, and potatoes. This is what I made for dinner, just getting it done. First off, I take and cut up the cabbage. I mean, don't cut the, well, you can cut the cabbage up, but put that over on the side. I slice up my Hillshire sausage, 1 pound package. That's the sausage that comes like a sausage length. And I cut it in slices. I cut that up. And then I get a pot big enough for all of it to go in there. I put about 1/3 of water in the pot. And I boil my sausage until it gets warm and it cooks. Well, it's already cooked, but it cooks a lot of the grease out of it. I know I shouldn't be eating this greasy stuff, but it's so good. I cook my sausage. Like I said, I put 1/3 of water in the pot. Add my sausage in there. Boil that for a while. Let that cook. Then you add your cabbage after that cooks. Cut up your cabbage. I cut it up in I shredded in shred pieces. That's the way I cut it up. Shred up your cabbage and then put that in there, and put it in the water and the sausage and the cabbage all together. Let that cook. I usually let my cabbage cook because I like it tender, probably anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, and it gets it real tender. You can see how tender it is. And that's the cabbage there. I like my cabbage really tender. Okay, and then I take and cut up my potatoes, and I boil them in another pot, because if you boil it all in here, the cabbage is going to get done before the potatoes. So I just I cut my potatoes up. I cut them up mainly all even, about something like this. Cut my potatoes up. And I let them boil until they get tender. Then after they get tender, I drain all the water off of it. And then I add them in a pot with the sausage and the cabbage. And I put the potatoes in there. And then you can season it up with salt and pepper, however you like, or any other kind of seasoning you like. And if you think your cabbage has a bitter taste, while your cabbage is boiling in your sausage, you can add a couple pinches of sugar to it to get the bitterness off your cabbage. That's what I usually do. Add a little bit of sugar to it. And it turned out pretty good. And this is what we're having for dinner. And I think this is a good recipe for the winter time to make in the winter or fall. It's really easy, and who doesn't like food? Everybody likes food. I know I like food. Just something different. And I hope that you all like it and you're inspired, and maybe you can try this out yourself. Try the recipe for yourself. And it looks really good and delicious. I can't wait to have a big plate of it. Look at the sausage in there. This is the Hillshire sausage. I guess you can use any kind of sausage you want, but I use Hillshire smoked link sausage. That's what's in here. And I want to say thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate all my subscribers, and thanks for all the new subscribers and returning subscribers, and thank you all. And I hope that you have a great day and be blessed. Bye-bye. Have a great week. And be kind to one another. Bye-bye.